Hello everyone, this is Johnny. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how to install MSSQL free version, which is MySQL Express, and also how to install MySQL community version into your Windows 2016 server. I'm going to install both database or my IBM Guardium project. So here is a recording to show you how to install both and how to connect them to IBM Guardium for next step. This is gonna be a serious video as well. So keep tuned. I will be back to show you how to install both. First thing, of course, downloading and then install and then add them into IBM Guardium. Now we are going to a Microsoft website and we're going to downloading a free specialized edition, which is Express version. So we can just click download now and we got the download file. Same thing, we're going to using MSI installer web community version. This is small web version to download it. Then we're going to copy them into our Windows 2016 server to give them the installation. We're going to copy both downloaded files to this Windows 2016 test server, and we're going to start the installation. Let's start with SQL Server 2017 Express version. To basic. This is the server license terms. Accept. Make sure we have enough space here. Good to go. So it's going to start in downloading install packages. After that, we're going to do installation. So installation has completed successfully. You might also want to install SSMS, which is SQL Server Management Studio. You need to download the SQL Server Management Studio and then install from there. That will be our next step. While downloading, we can close our SQL Server 2017 Express Edition installation widget. We also can start our MySQL installation. Let's choose full version. Next. There's some requirements we need to meet, like in MySQL Server. To install the Visual C Plus 2015 to 2019 distributable version. Agree, install, close. Basically, we just need to SQL files and close the application. And we can safely ignore that. Yeah, for others, we don't need the MySQL router, connector ODBC, Visual Studio, Excel. Those, I don't think we need it. So we should be fine. Just do next. Okay, then execute installation. MySQL notifier has an issue. MySQL documentation has an issue. That's okay. For other things, they're downloading right now. Downloading MySQL Server 8. And then I need to install it one by one. You can see the details here, or you can hide it. At this moment, they installed MySQL Server 8.0. They're installing MySQL shell. They also installed connector, samples, and examples. We are waiting shell 8.0.19 to be finished installation. It's installing MSSQL and MySQL Server 8.0 now. Okay, finish it. Next. So we are ready to be configured MySQL Server 8.0 and the router and the samples and the examples. This is just a standard on MySQL. We are using default settings. We don't have to use strong password encryption. It's just for testing. MySQL root password. Next. Service, standard system account. We can save the configuration, updating Windows firewall rules, adjusting Windows service, initializing database, starting the server, applying security settings, updating start manual link. We can pause the video recording here. Okay, finish it. Next. Finish. So connect its password. Just entered. Applying the configuration. Finish. Next. Installation completed. Finish. So we started the shell here. We have one more thing to install, which is our SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Let's run it. MySQL Workbench, keep there. So this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio installation wizard. Keep load setting default. Loading the packages. It's installing Microsoft Visual C++ 2017 distribution version. Microsoft Help Viewer, .NET Framework. I will pause the video and come back when the process is almost finished. Okay, restart required in order to complete setup. So basically, we just need to restart machine and the installation completed.